Hey guys, it's Saturday Arvo. There was no garage sales again today. I was still a bit too sick. But I'm going to do the markets tomorrow, and I started, packing the trailer and repacking a bit of the car. But when I was doing the car, I found these vintage Barbies that I meant to take to NAMBOUR, but I didn't. Well, they're in the car, but I didn't know. I lost them. So I've just gone through them here, and I got out this, remember that microscope we found? Or the magnifying glass. Look at this. You can put underneath, and I can, because I'm blind as a bat, you can see. Mattel Incorporated, 1966. Pretty cool, eh? So I got to date all these. So they're all 1966. They're all Philippines, except for the bloke. I can't read what's on his head, and it hasn't got anything on the back. See that there? I can't read it. It's just not for my eyes. All right, so we're going to eBay these. Her face is dirty, but look, they're in the original clothes. Look at this one. Like this, there's one of these ones on there for 50 bucks. And she hasn't got, they've got the roller skates still with it and everything. I reckon these are the same. We got these curbside, right, from the same place I got the Metallica board game. Metallica Monopoly. Like, how weird, right? Yeah, so if you're watching the channel, you've seen them before. But they're pretty freaking cool. They're all, they need cleaning. They've been in a bag in the bloody car for months, to be honest. Oops, she lost her wheels. We all lose our wheels now and again, don't we? Got boots. I don't know if they're the right boots. I just put them on her. Don't know if they're the right dresses, but this one's got the earrings. This one's got the earrings. No earrings in this fella. Oh, chick. Oh, whatever. Oh, I'm going to get in trouble now. He's got no earrings because he's a man. And they didn't have earrings back then. In the 60s anyway. My brother did. 70s we had earrings. Left earring. Right meant that you weren't right. But that was then. This is now. So there's some vintage clothes here with it too. Some brushes. So all this. That I think probably goes with that. Those there probably go with those boots as a costume. See those red boots? I've got some little yellow boots, blue ones, white ones. There's only one of them. I don't know if there was ever two. That bag's got a bit of a stain on it. But they're as old as I am, mate. And I'm fucking old. 1966, how bizarre. I don't know about him, as I said. 66, 66, that's all made in the Philippines. He's got his shoes, he's a boatie. He's like his harem. He had lots of chicks going on back then. They're all twins. Yeah, that's me Barbies. How bizarre to find it at the same place. And this has been invaluable, this little bloody thing, because I'm blind as a bat, as we said. We might use this for our gold and silver and stuff too. It's pretty freaking cool. Let me see another one. One's easy to get to. This one. Look at this. Yeah, I'll put it over there. I'll show you this thing. I'll probably sell it. Because I sell everything. Those things are just things. Look how close up it goes. Now, where's her name on here? It's on her butt, it's on her back. It's on her back. Okay, it's a little bit higher on her back. Okay, you see it there? Now I can go in up to 115 times. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing there. Alright. In and out. Cool, hey? Yeah. That was a good score. Scooby scored that at a G sale over Barbie. I think we only paid 20 bucks for that. That's $1,000 there. We looked them up. They're $1,000. Don't know if we'll sell it because it could be useful if we ever get our shit together, which is probably not probable because we're just idiots. Anyway, what else am I going to show you? Okay, so I've put some more stuff in the trailer. So let's go to the market tomorrow. The car, it's still basically packed from NAMBOUR because that's all it drives now. You've seen us break down on the way back and shit. So it's like, yeah, we're not doing that. But I cleaned all these sheets, well, quilt covers and stuff earlier. It's out my back as a disgrace. But let's go have a look. Ow. I got no shoes on, of course. Look. Yeah. It's a whole line full of like Doonas. There's 2 lots of Star Wars there. They're the same, aren't they? Oh no, they're a bit different. Cool. Scooby-Dooby-Doo! That's Monster High. There's a pillowcase. Scooby on the back's got like trick or treats. Cool. That's pretty cool. I like the Pokemon one too. These would be original at the time. So we're going to keep these. If we open a shop, I reckon they make good backdrops, you know, on the walls and stuff. To like if you're going to do a toy section or something like that. I don't know. Everything's for sale though, isn't it? Really, when it comes down to it. Anyway, I just thought I'd put something up today. So I will be at the markets tomorrow, God willing. You know, I'm going to set my alarm for 3. And geez, I was shit this morning, but yeah, I've got to do something. I can't just sit around and fucking wait to die. Anyway, all right, pleasures all, and we'll see you at the markets tomorrow. If not, you'll see our videos. Bye.